Mission clear.
Oh.
Hey,
Where'd you get that, Hunter?
What is that?
I don't know. I found it.
No, I don't think, that's not kosher.
How the fuck do you shoot that gun? I don't get it.
You don't.
You charge it up, then shoot it.
It takes so long.
That weapon takes like 3 entire DBZ episodes to fire.
I keep charging it the whole time I was looking at you.
The camera pans back at Hunter. Ah!
I'm gonna do it again this round.
More RDM. Cool.
Ooh, I can shoot Bucky with a car gun.
Help!
Help, he said.
Hello, puppy!
Has anyone seen Bucky? Okay, I'm okay. I have a car gun and I need to shoot him with it.
No.
Anyone know what Bucky is?
No.
I mean, Kit?
Hey guys, I'm looking
No.
for Kit too. Does anyone know where they're at?
No.
I'm
Trying
only
to save
hit him
them
with
from
a car.
Hunter. Kit, I'm gonna like shield you.
No, wait.
Fuck, I missed!
Help
He's going down to
me!
the cafeteria!
Help me!
Oh, okay.
Well,
Uh-oh. Hey, let's see what the... What the... No, you... Now I have to defib him.
no.
God damn it.
Beep.